Welcome to our premier ocean view room. Come on in. So first we have our mirror, which I love. I always love, as you know in the last videos we've watched them, a nice long mirror where you can look at your outfits and it's a vibe. Love that. Over here we have, I think it's a king size bed. Pretty sure it's a king size bed. It looks like one. King size bed, pretty big. Haven't even sat on the bed yet, so yep, it's comfy. It's alive, it's super comfy. I also love the colors in this room. If you look around, you're gonna see like the light green color, very, very ocean vibes. Super clean in here. Over here we have, we'll start over here. We have our mini fridge with some cups for coffee. So we have our coffee cups or tea, whichever ones you prefer. That's in there. We also have the mini fridge. The mini fridge right now has beer and pop, but you can call down to the front desk and get 1 bottle per day, all included in your package, which is nice. Over here we have water bottles. Water bottles are great. They give it to you. You can either keep it when you go or leave it here if you don't want it. They also dress your room up with water as well, but you can get water, nice cold water outside as well in the refill station just down the hall. Over here we have our closet with our robes, an ironing board if you want to iron while you're here, and the safe, which is nice. Big closet, so lots of space to put your clothes. The one thing I do notice though, the drawback, is most hotel rooms have cupboards. There are absolutely no cupboards, so all you can do is hang clothes. You can't, wait, one second. Yes, there's hangers. Okay, so you can hang clothes, but you can't fold them and put them in drawers. If we come back over here, we have our TV as well. So if you want to watch TV while you're on vacation, we normally don't, but if you like to just chill out, watch TV, you can do so right here. You have a little seat as well over here. It's a nice little chair to sit in if you want to get some air conditioning and cool off. You can do that here. If you want to work too, there's a little space that you can work right over here. Yeah, right beside your phone and your lamp. We'll go outside and then we'll bring it to the washer. My favorite part of this room is actually the balcony. The balcony has gorgeous views. We are on the 3rd floor, so if you come out here, you will see the beautiful ocean and the beach below. So you'll be able to see the sand, you'll be able to hear the waves, and if you look to the left, you can see the pool as well. It's a nice little vibe. We come back inside, we have a few more things to show y'all. So I forgot to mention over here as well, there's another little area where you can put your stuff, a small shelf with a nice mirror as well. Beautiful. I like the mirror vibes. The mirror vibes are just my thing. All right, over here is the washroom. Washroom's down the hall. That's nice for if you want any privacy in the washroom. And you can come on in, it is small. So come on in and close the door. It's a smaller washroom. It's cute though, such a cute vibe. I like the little sink. I love the mirror. So pretty. And I like the white vibe. So we have the standing shower as well. Standing shower is a little, again, like I said, smaller, but that's okay because you only have to really take a quick shower, get ready, and go out and enjoy. You also have an ocean view in the washroom, which is super nice too. So you can kind of look out and see the island and the ocean. So my overall take of the room is it is quite spacious. I like that vibe. The bed is quite comfy too. And yeah, it's just a convenient room. There's nothing extraordinary, I would say, about the room. It's convenient, it's cool, the air conditioning works well, the fan works well. Everything seems to work so far. So so good. I might have said this before, but it is very clean as well. Super clean. You come in here, you smell just cleanliness. It's really nice as well. I never go barefoot in the room, but I am barefoot because I trust. That's the one thing I'll say about couples resorts is they do have very clean amenities, and their rooms are always very clean. So I like that a lot. I like to feel comfortable. I'm sure a lot of people like to feel comfortable in their own room. So it's very clean, and yeah, that's the one big takeaway I would say. Yeah, that's my review. If you liked the room tour and you have not yet subscribed, press that subscribe button, press the like button, and comment. Please, please, that will help our channel and it will help us produce more videos like this for you guys.